In front of me is ZTE Nubia N1 Lite, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the messages, and as you can see, we are currently set up with English. So now let's switch it off, go to the settings, pick language and input, and now click on Android keyboard. Here click on languages, you can switch system language off, and now as you can see, you've got plenty of languages that you can apply. So let me choose, for example, Thai. I will switch off English, and from now on, if you will open the messages again, you will be able to write in Thai. So this is it. This is how you can change keyboard dictionary, keyboard language. Then obviously you can change it the same way, just open the settings, pick languages and input, go to Android keyboard, languages, go to languages and turn on, for example, English, switch Thai off. And now if you open it again, you will see the difference. So that would be all. This is it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.